Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. It is Sunday and I just want to share what I attempted to create on Them Crafty Girls Sunday Live. So if you guys just don't mind my voice, I've been losing it. So this is from mycraftingworlddesigns.com, and her name is Anna. This is a small business, and if you guys want to buy some dies from her, use my code Eileen10. This is what I was crafting on the live for Sunday, but I wanted to show what I was working on. I was trying to finish up my box. I think I need some paper to finish up the inside so I could cover these edges from Anna's box making die set. This is the size I used to make my box. The inside lining, I used some of my paper from Wild Heart from Crepe Paper. It looks like this. I used some of the paper from this collection. The other papers you see on that box is from Walmart. It's the Aloha 12 by 12. It's color book. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I'm losing my voice. Okay. The pink cardstock, you guys know it's the Cricut iridescent papers. I got it from Amazon on clearance. So the only thing I changed was I added this bling on the bottom side of the box, this here, and it stops the cover. I also added some more trim on the edges just to make this a little more sturdy, but not covering all the paper. I'm so sorry. My voice is gonna go out. I have not made my cover yet. I did use some paper cardstock from my stash. I don't even know if it's 110, but I think this is from Michael's. Just some white cardstock. And then I scored it every 1/4 inch to make my accordion binding. Here's more of that Walmart paper cardstock that I picked up. So for my album, I turned them into some pockets from the top side, and that way you could put in some extra photos in the top of the album. And then you turn the page. Every page has a pocket, so right here. So every page is a pocket. Here, here, here. Okay, I'm not gonna keep doing that. This one I folded my papers before I put it through the die cutting machine so that this edge is like a card. So it opens up and it gives you three pages across. And yeah, I just used the regular paper from the paper pad and created that unfolding. So when you layer on here, there is a gusset of a 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch, quarter inch gusset. So if you put some ephemera pieces on here, you'll have a little bit of room. So in between the pages, there's a little bit of room. This one, I just went ahead and covered it both on with the same paper. I love these girls. The next page, I did the same thing. So that you just cut across, and it gave you a bigger spread. And then the back, this is the inside last page, so I put a flip up, so where this one flips out, this one goes up, and you can have 1, 2, 3 here this way. And then this is the back page, and it's just mimics this page here. So what's on the inside, the outside, and then there you go. So I just have to make the outside covers for the mini album, but I did it like this. I did it this way because this box, I used the layering pieces. You guys can watch the previous video. It's in there how I made the box. And then yeah, this is what the box looks like, and it's mainly for the mini album. Oh my god. And so it'll look like this. I love it. This is what I created when I made the box, and I just went ahead and put some foam behind it. And this is also a pocket, so I could probably put a note in there, or even just another opportunity for a photo. And just put it in there, so there's a lot of space right there. So even if you layered some thickers or some other, thicker embellishments, you got that space. It will fit. I've got to go, guys. The voice is done. So if you're interested, go check out Anna's website. This is mycraftingworlddesigns.com. Use my code at checkout, Eileen10. Thank you all for watching.